Can I drink non-alcoholic beer with 0.05%?
You can drink that drink, if you call it beer. I don't like that word. Because that drink which is got the point, let me just make sure that 0.0. There's a 0 after the point. 5% or less. Okay, so 0.04, 0.03, okay, or less. No problem. Okay, but what did he say, 0.5%?
Yeah, that's what it says, can I drink?
0.05, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, khalas, that's it. Because this is called, in English, in any terminology, alcohol-free. 100%. I'll tell you what, juice, orange juice, with the proof, it's got that percentage. The proper orange juice, that percentage isn't in it. There's no such thing that's empty from this thing. There's not, doctor, there's nothing. It has to have some percentage. But the thing is, which makes it high, and I'm telling you now, where is the alcohol coming from? Isn't it from grape juice? Isn't it from grape juice? It comes alcohol. You make alcohol. You make from date juice. You bring from any, apricot juice you could make from it. I'll tell you what, tequila. You know tequila? Tequila is a Spanish word for a drink. Tequila. It's equivalent to Arabic thaqila. It makes you heavy. Okay? Tequila is made from a plant. It's like pineapple. Go and Google it. A plant like pineapple, but it's a huge one. Like this. Not like this pineapple. Like this, exactly like pineapple. And it's got leaves. And these people who are harvesting it, they got special, very sharp metal, and they cut those leaves. And then they put it on trucks, and then they send it to this factory in order to turn it into what? Alcoholic. For very beginning, it's not alcoholic. Grape juice. You got farms of grapes in France. You know that? So many. Grape red, grape black. Lots. Some of it goes to the halal food to eat, and some of it goes what? For brewing. For making it alcohol. So this juice which is not alcoholic, maybe it has slight, before it becomes alcoholic, slight thing of that. Okay? So what we are concerned about is, does it make you drunk? Does it say on the bottle, if you drink about 6 bottles of this, we're going to get you dizzy, be careful, you can't drive your car? It doesn't say that, because if it does, and they don't say it, they're in trouble. Any medicine makes you drowsy, they don't really state that, it's a big trouble. This is bankruptcy for them, if somebody had found out. They have to state it may cause you drowsy. Okay? If it does, and then But normally it is the case, if they say it's alcohol-free. Alcohol-free, and all these, the beer, they call it beer. The problem is, when you buy it, brother, make sure that nobody is looking at you. Number 2, make sure that, as well, you don't give it to anybody. He might take advantage of you if he's going to be your enemy later on. Because they're being served into bottles. The bottles, they look like the alcohol real ones. Okay? So that some people even, he's told me, I don't know if that's true or not, that some brothers who are reverts, when they are not allowed to drink the real alcohol, they go to this one, they sometimes imagine they have the kick. Even they haven't got alcohol, but because of the bottle and because of, do you understand me? I went to Hajj in the year about 2015. And I went to a special room for the people who are special, peer. What do you call them? Peer private, important person, what do you call it? VIP. I don't know even the word. And when I went inside, the brothers who are there, the ones who, I opened the fridge. Wallahi, I have seen the whole fridge. And we are in Hajj, filled up with that drink, which is built from Saudi Arabia, Heineken, all these names, all names of alcoholic, Heineken, I can't remember anything. I remember the Heineken, I've seen it, Heineken, and all types of bottles and cans in the fridge were in the Hajj. Okay? They are on, our Sheikh Ibn Uthaymeen, rahimahullah, says, it's halal. And the country, they imported that as well to Saudi Arabia. But I'm not really sure about these names, ya akhwan. Because I don't want people to get used to it as names. But a revert, he's been doing it anyway. Number 2, also, this is very important as well, I just forgot, subhanAllah, that you might find a scholar who had said that these even are haram. Our Sheikh Ibn Uthaymeen, he had said it's halal and the whole country of Saudi Arabia imported as well. And if you go to Saudi Arabia, you still can find that topic. But you need to know a Muslim cannot do that unless it is by itself is halal. Meaning that those people, most of them, it's already been brewed in alcoholic and then they take the alcohol out of it. Muslim cannot do that. To have alcoholic drink and then to remove the alcohol, you're not allowed. Because the Prophet was asked about making the khamr from the wine, from the grapes into what? Vinegar. He didn't allow that. But if it's been done already for you, I'm not caring about how it was. But for you to do it, then you're going to have alcohol with you. You can't have alcohol. So if it's been done for you, yes. Some companies, they brew it from the beginning non-alcoholic. You understand me? If you read about what at the back, one of them is called Bavaria. At the back, they don't do it alcoholic and they take alcohol out of it. No, from the beginning, they make it is non-alcoholic. I'm not here promoting Bavaria, but I'm just saying that this question is halal, no problem about it, inshallah.